Welcome to Beautyistic, where we're all about finding the best products that make us feel confident and beautiful, inside and out. If you're a fan of bold, matte lip looks, but struggle with the heaviness or dryness that can come with some formulas, stay tuned. We're diving into a lipstick that promises both comfort and staying power. The Revlon ColorStay Matte Lite Crayon Lipstick in the shade 002 Clear the Air. This isn't just any lipstick. It's formulated with a non-drying matte texture that delivers bold color while keeping things light and smooth. With a built-in sharpener, it's designed to be a mess-free option for those on the go. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. This lipstick boasts a rich antioxidant-infused formula that contains mango seed oil to help nourish and replenish the lips, so you get that matte finish without feeling like your lips are dry and cracked. The formula is also water resistant, which is a big win if you're looking for something that'll stay put through eating or sipping throughout the day. Plus, it's free from parabens and mineral oil, making it a cleaner option for your beauty routine. I've been using this lipstick for a few days now, and I have to say, the lightweight feel is noticeable right away. Compared to other matte lipsticks, which can sometimes feel a bit heavy or chalky, this one goes on smoothly, and it doesn't settle into fine lines or feel uncomfortable. The shade, Clear the Air, is a soft, nude pink, perfect for an everyday look. When it comes to wearability, it really holds up. I wore it through a few meals, and while the color didn't completely vanish, I did notice a slight fading in the center of my lips after about 4 to 5 hours of wear. That said, the Smudge-Proof water-resistant formula does its job pretty well. There was no feathering around my lip line, which is often a problem I experience with other matte lip products. As for the application, I found it easy to apply thanks to the ultra-precise tip. The built-in sharpener is a nice touch, ensuring the crayon tip stays sharp for defined lines, even when you're in a rush. It's quick, efficient, and doesn't require extra tools, which makes it super user-friendly. The major strength of this lipstick is its comfort. It's definitely lighter than some matte formulas I've tried, and it doesn't dry out my lips. The mango seed oil seems to really deliver on that front, which is a big plus for me. However, while the formula is lightweight, I would have liked it to have a bit more hydration, especially as I wear it longer throughout the day. A bit of lip balm underneath seems to solve that, but it's something to consider. In terms of value for money, I'd say it's a fair deal. You're getting a high-performance, smudge-proof lipstick with a smooth application and a built-in sharpener, all while maintaining a lightweight feel. It's definitely an investment for those who want a matte lipstick that's comfortable enough for daily wear without compromising on color payoff. Now, if you're comparing this to other products on the market, there are a few similar lip crayons out there, but not all come with this level of comfort and ease of application. If you're on the hunt for an affordable option that still delivers long-lasting results, this one holds its own. One thing to note is the packaging. It's simple but functional, and I love that the sharpener is integrated, so there's no need to fumble around for extra tools. It's a great option if you're looking for something portable for on-the-go touch-ups. All in all, the Revlon ColorStay Matte Lite Crayon Lipstick in Clear the Air is a solid choice for those who love a good matte lip but don't want to sacrifice comfort. If you have sensitive lips or typically struggle with dry matte formulas, this could be a great addition to your makeup bag. The lightweight feel, paired with the bold color payoff and staying power, makes it a winner in my book. If this review has been helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on more honest reviews like this. Your support helps us keep bringing you the best in beauty. Thanks for tuning in. If you've tried this product or have any matte lipstick favorites, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And remember, stay beautiful inside and out. See you next time.